Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to upcycle an old bag that you no longer carry. I no longer carry this one because it's too big. I really do not use it more often. So I am into cute mini bags. So I decided to, instead of just abandon the bag just like that, just upcycle it into something that I'll carry every other day. So first of all, what you do, you just remove anything that is not supposed to be there. I wanted it to be a cycle bag, so that's what I'm doing right now, just tracing it out. So I've done this before. If you check my previous video, so you already know the drill, how this goes. So just trace it out, then cut it. So I'm cutting two of this. So I'm totally into mini bags right now. So the fact I got two out of it in the wallet from this one bag is so cool to me. I love it. So the next step, just mark out where you want the sides of the bag to start from. I didn't want my own to go round. I just wanted to start from just a bit at the top, so it's 17. Then this is actually one part of the strap of the bag, so I cut it in two and then attached it like this. I like the style to the cycle. So the next step now is to just cut out what you use for the side. So I've already removed the down part of the bag at this point, and that's what I'm going to use to make the other bag. So that one, we'll get to it. So just cut it out. The length, remember, is 17. So just add 1 inch to it in case this measurement sometimes used to grow legs. So then just attach it. Don't mind me, I'm using my hair clips to do this first before I sew it down. It makes it neater. You can use your needle or any other thing, anyone. But this one works for me well, so that's why I'm using it. Just pin it down round. Afterwards, sew it down round, and then at the top part, pin it down, same thing, and then sew it down round. So this is how it's gonna look like. So the next step is just to add clip to it. So that's what we're doing right now. Just get a piece of leather and then just put in the clips and then attach it to the bag. So I'll be using glue for this because it's easier to use glue than actually sewing it down, so that's why. Please, before the video ends, show me some love by hitting the subscribe button down below. To mean a lot to me. Thanks so much. So right now I'm adding, just gluing it to the bag, the clip. That is it. Very easy. So this is the base of the bag, so I'll be using it to create another bag, another mini bag. So just sew the sides, use the other strap from the bag, cut it in two, and then attach it to the bag. So this is way easier, like so simple. And this is it. The next step is just to decorate the bag, makes it more cool. So just remove the decoration from the old bag and then just attach it to this mini one. So this is it. I'll just use needle and thread to attach it, just to give it a flare, make it popping. So this is how it looks. So the next step, we're going to be using the remaining leather, the one that just remaining, to just create wallets. So all you need to do, just attach the strap on the wallets, cut out. It's so simple. Just cut out the remaining leather, sew it down, and that is it. So this is the final result, guys. Hopefully you are inspired not to throw away that old bag. You can actually use it to get something new and fresh. Please hit the subscribe button before you leave, and I appreciate if you share this video to your friends. Thanks so much for watching. Till my next video. Bye.